Tonight, let your mind rest, let your thoughts slow down, let your body surrender. You are safe here. Welcome to a transformative journey, not just into sleep, but into the science of how rest restores the traumatized brain. In the next 3 hours, you will discover how your brain heals in the silence of the night, how the scars of stress, loss, and trauma can begin to fade, and how simple rest, when deep, consistent, and peaceful, can reshape your entire life experience. Whether you're healing from emotional wounds or simply craving a more satisfying life, this journey begins with one essential truth. Sleep is not escape. Sleep is recovery. Sleep is power. Science now shows that poor sleep isn't just a side effect of trauma, it may be one of its causes and one of its cures. When we don't sleep well, emotional regulation plummets, anxiety increases, depression deepens, memory becomes foggy. But when we sleep deeply and consistently, something beautiful happens. Our mind begins to find peace again. Trauma changes your brain. It disrupts your limbic system, hijacks your nervous system, and keeps your body in survival mode. But deep sleep can reverse that damage. During restorative sleep, especially REM sleep, the emotional parts of your brain, like the amygdala, calm down. Your prefrontal cortex, the seat of logic and decision-making, begins to reconnect. And over time, you begin to feel safe again. You cannot live a satisfying life if your nervous system is always in fight or flight. But sleep can bring you back to rest and digest. Sleep isn't passive. It's one of the most powerful acts of self-love you can give yourself. Tonight, as you listen to this voice, remember, you are not broken. You are healing. And your sleep is the medicine. In the next chapters of this experience, we'll go deeper into the science of dreams, the impact of trauma on sleep cycles, and how you can reclaim the peaceful rest you deserve.